Hello, family. Anyway, it's February 18th, which means it's my birthday. And hold on, let me see what that is. I decided really quickly that, well, I knew I wanted to do pictures, or like at least post something cool for my birthday, since I never really do. But it was last minute that I decided to like put up the backdrop and everything. So I figured I'd turn on the camera and just, I guess, show you what my shoot looks like today and how my pictures turn out. Hopefully they're okay. I don't want them to be cheesy or anything, but we'll see. This camera thing is small. Oh, maybe I should just flip it up like that. Anyway, so yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Kind of got some drape situations going on here. And oh, so not only is it my birthday, but it's my beautiful plant's birthday. Let me get her. Can you tell that I'm proud? So she actually turns 1. I got her last year when I turned 30. Snowmageddon was going on in Dallas, if you know anything about that. We were literally snowed in and could not do anything. Ugh, it's heavy. When I first got it, let me show you the pot it came in. It was in this pot. Look how cute. It's so cute, but it's so much smaller compared to that other one. And I would have never known that it was gonna get that big. I guess in this pot, it was kind of, you know, falling over the sides. If I can find any footage from when I got this, then I'll definitely show you guys. But yeah, the fact that it's in this big old pot and alive, not just alive, but thriving after a full year, means a lot to me. I think it's really special and kind of speaks to what my journey has been like a little bit, just in the aspect of growth. So yes, so happy birthday to me and happy birthday to my plant. Anyway, she's gonna have a debut in the in my photos. I kind of wish she was in a different color pot. I also was thinking about painting the pot again, just to, like, I don't know, give her an updated look. Anyway, so yes, I'm gonna mute you guys because I have music playing in the background and won't need no problem. Okay, change of plans. So I had it set up in here, and kind of, I put a little look together. It's like toga? Is that what it's called? Y'all, I've tried to say this like 3 times already. Anyway, now that I'm actually recording and the music is off, I'm basically getting ready to move everything and I just put up outside because I'm not getting the lighting that I want. We shot the Always Black campaign here and I really liked how it looked outside with the natural lighting. That's what I want, is the natural light, but it's just not hidden like I need to inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and move everything outside. It's super cold out there, but we just gonna do it. If you see what I have on, I basically just draped myself in fabric, really cute like. And I don't have anything on under here, so whoever's outside, you're welcome. Yeah, totally kidding, but I think it should be fine. I don't think there's a whole lot going on out there. So anyway, let's go outside. Hopefully, the car doesn't block what I'm trying to do. Hopefully the car's not blocking what I'm trying to do, but I think it'll be okay because the sun is pretty high up. Sorry y'all, got a lot going on. Okay, so now to move everything out here.